The Ricochet Diagnostics menu can be used to view the signal strength of Ricochet devices, as well as the alarm state and polling information. Enter the engineer code. Press 9. Press Yes. Use the scroll keys to select Ricochet Diag. Press Yes. Enter the zone number you want to view. The keypad will display the routing to the expander. If the device is hopping, the zone numbers used to hop will be displayed. Press chime to show the device's signal strength at each hop. Press chime to show the device status. Press chime to show when the device last polled into the expander.